What's up, YouTube? How are you, my people? So I get this question a lot after people bring their car in for exhaust, and it's weird, you know, because I don't try and sell a whole entire exhaust system when it doesn't need it. Only if it needs it does it get an entire exhaust system. That's how I roll here. So in most cases, it can just be repaired depending on the conditions that your master technician sees. So this vehicle here has this rear flange that's rotted out. Very common. What would prevent him from just doing that section, or me, is an inspection of the rest of the exhaust system. All right, so we're looking for other areas of this exhaust system that are gonna fall apart when we touch it. Even though it may not be leaking loud enough for you to understand that I only hear it from the front, but when I go to Sawzall it off, you're gonna hear it from the back or the center or whatever else is going on. And I'm back here looking to see if I could find some areas. For example, oh, like this. So see this flange? The flange is gone, the bolt heads are just about gone. So vibration is gonna make that fall apart, especially if it's in piss poor condition everywhere else. Same thing here, flex pipes that are not necessarily bad all the way through, but as soon as you hit them with a Sawzall, they crack and break. So just because you hear a problem at one point in your exhaust system doesn't mean there's other areas that could potentially fall apart while the installer is touching it. And I'm sure transmission shops run into this all the time. Rusted out studs, they gotta take the exhaust system down, parts are falling apart. That's just the nature of the beast with older cars. You know, flex pipe here, all right. Flange is here, see this? As soon as we start putting some pressure on that, that's gonna snap right off. It may not right now, but you can see it was leaking right there and it didn't fall apart, but I had to cut it here to service the rest of the exhaust system. You could always ask for pictures too, like, hey, can you text me some pictures of the exhaust system and show me what you're talking about, Mr. So-and-so? Oh, sure, sir, no problem. These are the areas of concern. Picture, picture, picture. There you go. Thanks for watching.